In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the vehicle speed sensor on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located on the back side of the transfer case, under the center of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to be going after our vehicle speed sensor. On the right, you can see our drive shaft, and this right here is our transfer case. Our vehicle speed sensor is going to be located on the left side of the transfer case, right on top. Remove the connector off of the sensor. To do this, we're going to pull up on either tab and pull straight back and remove the connector. Put it off to the side. Using an adjustable wrench, we're going to remove the sensor. Remove the sensor. Install the vehicle speed sensor. Thread it in. Snug the sensor down. Get it nice and snug. Install the connector. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.